patch notes. Greetings BGMI players. Here's the preview of our upcoming update. Diverse game modes are coming up in the October update. Let's see what we have prepared. The Metro Royal mod made its start on September 28th. Unlike the other modes, you can bring items you found during the game to the loadout inventory as loots if you make it to the return point within the given time. You can equip the items to use it in the next battle or sell them in the black market to earn Metro Cash. With the collected Metro Cash, you can buy special items only found in Metro Royal. Items have quality grades with different features and prices, and there are exclusive items for Metro Royal. Metro Royal mode consists of 3 maps, and the maps are unlocked in accordance with your fame level. Depending on the map, you can play one of the basic mode, undercover mode, advanced mode, and assault mode. Many different features like the underground tunnel and boss you can defeat to get abundant items are waiting for you. Do not miss your honor level rewards for this Metro Royal reunion season. Vikendi is here from October 8 in BGMI. Vikendi, a 6x6 km map covered by white snow. With Snowmobile and G36C, enjoy the battle on the snowfield for exciting action. Runic power will be available from October 15. You can choose one of the runes, namely the wind, flame or ice at the spawn island. You can also use the mysterious power of selected rune during battle. Each rune has 2 different skills for offense and defense, and the skills spend rune crystals when used. Wind rune can create a wind shelter that reduces the damage of enemies' bullets, and wind boost ability accelerate the player's reloading and movement speed. Flame rune can create a magma wheel that rolls forward. The magma wheel can serve as a cover and deals burn damage to enemies it touches. Scorching ammo ability burns enemies hit and deals damage for a period of time. Arctic rune can create an ice wall that blocks the bullets until it is destroyed. When enemies hit by freezing ammo uses the recovery items, the healing effectiveness is reduced. Which rune will you choose? Please leave a comment. On October 22nd, the Survive Till Dawn mode will come. Infected zombies will appear in Erangel. If you defeat the zombies, including the boss, you can get various items in return. Zombies will go into a frenzy during the night time and attack you. Fight against zombies and other players and be the last team standing. Challenge Survive Till Dawn. On October 31st, Payload 2.0 mode will make the battlegrounds even hotter. In 2.0, helicopters and armed cars are now equipped with super weapons, and the new super weapons have been added, such as AT-4A laser missile and M2O2 quadrupole RPG. Even items with the cutting-edge technology, such as man-portable radar, bomb suit, and UAV control terminal are coming. Those powerful weapons are usually spawned in the super weapon crates. Please be advised that position of those crates will be marked on the minimap for a while when they appear. Also, try finding the secret room where powerful items are hidden. In payload mode, there is a special revival system in which a player can bring back the fallen teammates at the communication tower with the ID card in the loot box of the teammate. From 2.0 version, you can also bring back a teammate multiple times at the advanced communication tower in the base. Enjoy a more intense and thrilling survival battle only available in payload mode. What is your favorite super weapon? Please leave a comment. On October 31st, the virus infection mode will be available. Virus infection mode consists of 3 rounds, and humans and zombies divided randomly in each round confronting each other. Zombies should attack humans to infect them, and humans should survive from undying zombies. During a match, zombies can acquire boosters or infect humans to reach level 3 to become zombie king. Humans turn into heroes when there are only 3 humans alive. Powerful heroes and zombie kings. Once heroes appear, zombies and humans can finish each other. After every round, zombies win if all the humans are infected or finished by zombies, and humans win if any human or hero survives. Win and loss follows your role at the end of the round, so do your best in your given role. This is the end of today's update preview. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow the official channel of BGMI. Let's all say, winner winner chicken dinner.